Hi, my name's John Harrison, and I'm reading for the role of Rob.
Don't shoot.
Thank God you're here.
What happened? I just killed the looter.
They're all dead, man. All of them. Dead.
What did you do? Where were you?
What the fuck does that mean?
You were in charge.
So it's my fault?
These men were the responsibility. Where's Tom?
He's dead too. Like, we don't have time for this shit. Get ready.
What the fuck? Tom too? And now your plan is to go after a small army with just you, me, and your drinking buddies?
They haven't been gone long. We go now, we catch them. We take a few down, maybe all of them. But we have to go now, so gear up.
Stop. Just stop. Talk to me. Tell me how it happened.
Why does the how matter? Aren't the what's important questions? What happened? Our fucking friends were killed. They fucked him up. What are you going to do about it? I'm going to get my shit together. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to fucking kill them.
No, it would take 50 more minutes. I get Axe and the rest of the guys up here with some better shit in trucks. He needs to be here too. We'll get all of them and the crowd needs to end this shit. I'm talking to you.
Yeah? And I'm through talking. I'm acting.
Your actions got these guys killed.
Stop saying that. Just stop.
It's true.
No. No, it's not. I made the calls, yeah. But I made the right calls with the info I had.
And I left for a bit, just for a bit.